Alright guys, alright, I have a video here, a very short one. You can see I'm cleaning out an SSD slot. Alright, the one I've already put. Alright, okay, I'm going to show you how I did this. Okay, alright, here is the board. This is a Dell Latitude 3190 motherboard. Alright, it doesn't have an SSD slot, okay, but it has an inbuilt SSD, which I just showed you. All right, this is the slot. Okay, so here we have the SSD slot we want to insert here. It's just a quick video on how to install the slot, how to remove it from here, and the technique you need to know to use it and remove for those that are technicians that wants to know how this is done. All right, it is a very simple task and it needs your attention. It needs you, all right, to know the right techniques to use before you get it spoiled. Okay, after this, what you have to do is, after you have put your thermal paste, okay, you see what we are doing there. All right, you have to hit the back, you are not hitting the front. Why you are not doing that is that you don't want to burn out the rubbers that are there. Okay, you don't want to burn out those rubbers that are there, rather you are going to be hitting down to the now as you're doing this, you're going to be hitting down to the thermal lead that are there, and it will pull out. After this, it's going to pull out, so you have to hit it hard and it just pulled out a lot from here, from my side. And all right, it's not more there. Okay, now you see the SSD slot I've removed. Okay, and you see that the rubbers are not burnt. Okay, but if you hit directly from the top of it, you burn out those rubbers because of the temperature is very high. You have to use, you must not use a lower temperature because you cannot get what you are looking for. The lead will not be melted for it to go out. Okay, so I clean it with a flux. After doing this, then you have to mount it to the motherboard. All right, the mounting is very okay. Now when you are mounting the motherboard, when you are mounting it, I'm checking how it's going to sit in very well. Okay, then after you check, then you first of all you can use a tiny soldering iron to do this, which I don't have now. Okay, so I'm going to still use the workstation. Okay, I'm still going to use the workstation. Now using the workstation, you have to be careful because when you're using it, it can make you to overheat to the point where the rubbers will be peeled off. Okay, so you have to be careful as you're doing this. Okay, after the first, you heat out the lead so that it gets loosened, because this is the first time it wants to be mounted. You heat it to get loosened. All right, there's lead already on it. If there is not, you have to apply your lead. Okay, when you have seen that it has got the lead has got melted, all right, you have to place in your SSD slot. Okay, which I'm doing now. You have to place it gently, and you have to be careful not to burn out the rubbers. You have to hit the edges, not the SSD rubbers, before it gets spoiled. Okay, I'm done. Here is my SSD. I'm to test it. Okay, it's lapping now. Alright, this is good. Please like this video and share to those that need it. Thank you so much.